guys, welcome back to Code It All. And today I don't have one of those coding or design videos planned for you guys. I'm gonna look at some of the top VS Code shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. Uh, so I'm gonna be following this article, which is called Get Connected. And the way came across this article was basically Chrome extensions. So I can go into extensions and type daily dev. So whenever I open a new tab, it basically gives these recent articles for us. So you can scroll down, look at different articles, and yeah, I found this somewhere. Thought it would be nice to share. I'll pack some of my own personal favorites along with this. So please do get this extension and let's get going. So if you guys enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to get more content like this. I usually do some of my coding videos, but today I just wanted to focus on this because it will be super duper awesome. So let's get going. Um, so I have this new folder open, and I don't want to create any HTML file right now. I just want to start with a JavaScript file because we can basically utilize everything that we've done. Okay, wait. Instead of doing it like this, I want to show you something, show you a part of it. I'm just going to go side-by-side mode, if that's what you call it. Create a file. So let's get going. I want to do Control N for Windows, and I can just type in, say, index.js and save it. And you can automatically save it like that and basically delete all of the stuff that you wrote here. So that's how you basically download a file, or no, not download a file, create a new file, I mean. And we can just save it here because the next one is about opening up a terminal. So opening up a terminal is Control plus the backtick. The backtick is basically something which is beside your 1 on your keyboard, basically on the top number pad, not the side number pad, because most people don't have that. So I use that all the time to open and close my windows. See, like bum 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 bum. And in case I want to create a new terminal, what I do is Control Shift and a new one. So you basically see this is the second terminal, this is the first terminal. I'm just gonna delete one of them and I get one of them. So that's perfect. So I got the new terminal, and now moving lines of code down, right? So I want to go console.log. Hello world, let's show it here. And I also want const some func for some function, and just go get something out. I wanna I'm just gonna give a for loop for let I equals 0 as long as I is less than b plus plus, and then I want to console log this. Hi. I'm just gonna do hi. So I'm not actually gonna run this. I just want to keep it in space so I can move this up and down. So moving lines of code, I can just think I can go up, down. So I have to, if you're on Windows, go for Alt and down, keyboard down. I'm gonna link this article in the description down below, so do check that out. And for Windows, you have to do Alt down, Alt down, Alt up, Alt down. So you can go put this into functions if you like, get it back on top of the code just like before with Alt up, Alt down, and Option up or Option down. This can be done with multiple lines, so I can get this for loop, copy it, go get it up, get it down. So it's pretty nice. Save it like that, and I can copy paste the current line of code up or down. So I have to do Alt Shift down or up, down or up, down or up. I can constantly, okay, wait, I'm gonna do something for you. So gonna go delete, enter here, and go console.log. So and I want to console log this down. So I have to do Alt Shift down and the down arrow key if you're on Windows, or Option I think you just have to do Option Shift down. That's what it says in the thing. Option Shift up, or Option Shift down, and Alt Shift up or Alt Shift down. So I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna do Alt Shift down so I can easily copy this from this line to this line. I mean, it's just simple. And if you want to copy this up, you can also copy it down if you want. Oh, that is just moving, just copying it down. I want to copy it up, so I can just do Alt Shift and then up. So I basically copy this line of code up here and paste it. So that's a pretty nice thing that you can do. And commenting out sections of code, I might have shown it to you in videos. I just go like that. And Command KC, I've not known that. It must be, I don't really use it so much, so when I want to comment blocks of code, I just go control slash, so it just comments out everything. I think it mentions it here. Easier method is to comment or command slash. It's basically easier. So I can control slash and control slash to get it back, control slash to comment it, uncomment it, comment, uncomment, and all of that. So here I can basically command up or command down, or control up or control home or control end to move up and to move to the top of the file and the bottom of the file. So control end basically goes here, control home basically goes up there. Suppose you just want to navigate between the starting of the line and the ending of the line. You could just click on home and end. I'm not sure what it is on the Mac, but on Windows it's just home and end. That should work, and it is working, so it's perfect. And so what I just do to indent lines of code, okay, I generally copy it and just go tab it up, and sometimes it just goes wrong, sometimes it's perfect. So you see this time it worked. So but what this is suggesting is command square bracket and control square bracket. So I want to come I don't even need to select it. I can just do commands, just square bracket. Oh, if you get the first square bracket, you basically send it back. If you get the second square bracket, you send it in front. So boom, 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 boom. It's gonna dance, 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 dance. Okay. So now I want to find the matching bracket. So I have an extension called bracket. I think it's bracket it's bracket pair colorizer, which essentially tells me where my bracket is. So obviously this bracket might correspond to this bracket, but sometimes code can get a little messy with so many stuff. So you might think that this thing ends over here. It's not likely, but it's possible it happens. So that's why this thing is super duper useful. What you can do is find the matching bracket. I'm going to go here and it says command shift backslash. So if I do that, it automatically gets me to this bracket, from this bracket to this bracket. So that's really nice. And there's also multi-selection or multi-editing, whatever you want, multi or multi, whatever you want to call it. So I can basically put my cursor here, hold down Alt or Option, and put down another cursor, and I can basically edit it. And goodbye. So I can just do that. And zoom in, zoom out is pretty standard. It's used across many different platforms, even browsers. So I can go Control plus 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 plus, make it bigger, reset it if I want. Control minus 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 also works. Here also Control plus plus plus. Okay, so Control minus 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 Control plus plus plus. It works very well. If you want to search, you can do Command F, and if you want to search for a particular keyword, funk. So if you want to search for funk, and you can get it right here. So it's pretty nice, and I'm going to start introducing some of my own stuff to this. So one of my most preferred shortcut is moving, if I want to move like this all the way to the console.log, I want to change it to console.error. I don't want to keep moving like this. It's pretty easy because this is pretty small. But if I want, I can easily navigate by pressing Control and the left arrow. So I can navigate word by word. And instead of deleting it like this, which is very hard, not super hard, but I can delete it in an easier way, delete an entire word with Control and backspace. That deletes basically entire words. So I can just type it out again. So that helps delete entire words. And to select stuff, so I can hold Shift and then just go click the left arrow to select this word, or I can also click Shift, Control Shift, and select an entire word. Boom. And I can use anything that there. I can, whoops, no, I can move it up, and if I want, I can delete it like that. And I can select an entire sentence by going Shift Home. That's how I can select this entire sentence, and I can also do Shift here, Shift N, and all of that. So Shift, Control, Alt, and Shift, Control, and going left and right. And this, I use this all the time, and Control S for saving. And I don't really use Control N to create a new file or whatsoever. I just go into my file system, go create something like that. Then I actually want to test out this bracket thingy, this bracket thing, to see if it works with angle brackets or HTML tags. I wonder if it works with that. So let's just check it out. I just want to create this boilerplate, and in the body I want to create header and the nav and the UL, and I want to create a bunch of LIs. Okay, so I want to find the corresponding nav tag. Control Shift backslash. Oh, it just goes between corresponding angle brackets. Okay, doesn't exactly go, but you see I recently downloaded this, so whenever I'm on this nav keyword, it underlines the corresponding nav for me. I have this extension here. What's that? Let me see. Highlight matching. I think that's it. Okay, that's it. So it's highlight matching tag. It basically highlights every single matching tag. So say I have a div encapsulating this. And I have another div inside here. And there you go, got a space here. I obviously want to move this down. I'm using the thing that we just learned. So sometimes I might think that this corresponds with, no, I mean this corresponds with this sometimes. So to prevent that from happening, causing a whole lot of mishaps, I generally, so you see underlines this and this to make sure that they are corresponding. That's what I do. That's why it's so awesome. And these are my list of favorite Visual Studio Code shortcuts. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. In the next video, I'll again be out with my usual array methods video. I'm not sure which thing I'll do, but I'm definitely going to do one of them. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Please show your support by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video, and watching some of my other videos, which are going to be linked right here, right now. So goodbye and have a great day.